Let's take a look at cybersecurity. Data protection and cybersecurity are specialized areas requiring expertise. However, there are some basic guidelines to follow. First, data security is everyone's responsibility. IT installs firewalls and password systems. Second, old data is bad data. In other words, destroy unneeded old personnel data unless it's absolutely required. Third, encrypt. This includes data in laptops employees carry with them. Fourth, monitor. The IT staff should periodically assess cyber risks.